In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on NinjaTrader web. Now to do this, first you want to open the web platform, and then there's a few ways you could do this. The first one is going to be the chart trader, so go to your chart, up in the top right, click on View Settings, and click on Trade Mode. From here, you can see you now have the buy and sell buttons, and of course, you can select your quantity over here. You can select if you want to use ATM strategies, which you can customize if you click on the settings cogwheel, and this is going to allow you to turn these on and to basically put on like stop losses, take profits, etc. Then hit the save button if you wanna, and of course, you can pick whichever one you want. I'm just going to do this one, which is the custom one I have, and then I'm going to hit the buy button, confirm it, and there we go. It's going to say order filled, which means I'm successfully trading. You could always do this over here on the left as well, inside this kind of a super DOM, if you want to call it that. And then over here, you can see you can select again the ATMs. You have the buy and sell buttons up top, as well as the quantity too. So that's kind of the second way you can do this. And the third one is this button top left called trading, which opens up the simple or advanced trading window, where you can then go and basically select what you want to trade, if you want to buy or sell, if you want to go and of course select the quantity, price, order type, etc. And you can then send or reset, and in the advanced you can set up OCO or ATM orders. Okay, so from here you can then hit the send button. Okay, and that means you're good to go. So I'm going to do like this, send. It says action should be specified because I didn't actually do this correctly, but you get the point. I'm actually going to keep it like it is. Mark it, send, buy. There we go. Okay, so that's how to trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.